In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide activities from someone on Strava. If there's a specific person you don't want seeing your workouts, the simplest way to make your activities invisible to them is to block their account. I'll walk you through it step by step on the Strava mobile app and explain what each action does so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and that your app is reasonably up to date so the screens look familiar to what I'm describing. Next, tap the profile icon at the top of the screen. Depending on your device, it may be your profile photo or a silhouette in the upper corner. This takes you to your personal profile page where you can access your connections and account details. On your profile page, tap Followers. This opens the list of people who currently follow you. These are the accounts most likely to see your activities in their feeds, depending on your privacy settings. Now, find the specific follower you want to hide your activities from and tap their name to open their profile. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct account, especially if there are similar names or profile photos. On that person's profile, look for the three-dot menu, usually in the top right corner. Tap it, then select Block this athlete. Before you confirm, it helps to understand what blocking does. It removes them as a follower, prevents them from following you again, and hides your profile and activities from them. They won't be notified that you blocked them, but they'll no longer be able to view your activity details or interact with you on Strava. To finish, tap Block Athlete to proceed. This confirms the action and applies the change immediately. From this point on, your future activities and your profile will be hidden from that person. If they try to view your page or follow you, they won't be able to. If you ever change your mind later, you can reverse the block, but keep in mind that doing so would allow them to follow you again and see activities based on your privacy settings. That's all there is to it. Open the app, go to your profile, open your followers list, select the person, tap the three dots, choose Block this athlete, and confirm. This quick approach gives you precise control over who can see your activities without changing your broader privacy setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you feel more comfortable managing your visibility on Strava.